News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. The summary of the news that have been trending in the northern Nigeria. United Nations Children's Fund UNICEF has enrolled 33,502 children in Borno State on the Nigerian Learning Passport (NLP), a digital learning platform designed to expand access to education through technology. Speaking at the annual quiz competition for school support under the NLP interventions in Maiduguri on Saturday, the education officer UNICEF Maiduguri Field Office, Charles Atia, said 425 teachers and facilitators were trained on blended learning teaching method to support the children. The Minister of State for Works, Bello Goronyo, has expressed concern over acts of sabotage along the Abuja-Kaduna-Kano highway projects. A talented young man from Gombe State, Anas Musa Isa, has built and tested a homemade rocket named Straton X, becoming the first person in Nigeria to achieve such a feat. Anas, a chemistry student at the Federal University of Kashere, Gombe State, began developing the rocket while still in school. His successful test launch has drawn public attention and praise for his innovations. Now in security, Nigerian army have neutralized a suspected Boko Haram fighter during an ambush operations in Kirawa general area of Borno State. Lakurawa terrorists have launched a deadly attack on a camp belonging to officers of the Nigerian Customs Service in Bagudo local government area of Kebbi State. Similarly, bandits loyal to Bello Turji have launched deadly attack, killed several people and abducted over 20 both male and female during the invasions in Sokoto. Bandit leader pledged lasting peace after meeting with Charanchi and Badagarawa communities in Katsina State. Still on insecurity, Lake Chad Basin is witnessing a renewed wave of violence as rival group Boko Haram and ISWAP terrorists engage in intense battle for control of strategic island settlement in Abadam and Kukawa local government area of Borno State. According to an exclusive report by counter-insurgency experts and security analysts on Sunday, the clash occurred between Wednesday to Saturday, November 8 across key islands identified as Sahel 1, Dogo Chuku, Mangari and the riverine basin among others in Borno State. Now politics. ADC call for discipline unity to strengthen party stability in Plateau State. AA Zora's influence grows as ex-council boss 2,000 supporters join All Progressive Congress APC. Another opposition governor joining APC soon, says Governor Sule. Now from the international scene, one body has been found and dozens of others are missing after a boat carrying about 90 people sank near the Thailand-Malaysia border, officials said on Sunday. For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channels at the News Chronicle. Follow us in Facebook, X, like, comment and share.